Hey, what's up guys, iMAT here. So are you looking for a rugged smartwatch? So in today's video we have the KOSPET's latest Tank M3 Ultra. It is one of the 3 latest models in the KOSPET's Tank series and comes with amazing features inside it. It offers a rugged design, it is also waterproof, comes with an AMOLED display and also comes with built-in GPS inside it. In this video we're gonna be taking a look at all of its features, but before we start, if you're new here, a subscribe to the channel will be highly appreciated. So let's get right into it, and first of all let's find out what comes inside the box of KOSPET Tank M3 Ultra, and then we're going to take a closer look on it. So here's the first look on the box. First of all, let's go ahead and open it. And here's the first look inside. We get the watch, then we get a box inside it, and inside the box we get silicone rubber straps, then we have magnetic charger, screen protector and wipes, and in the end we have the user manual. So let's remove the plastic cover. And here's how the watch is looking. It's looking quite solid. So here is the first look on the smartwatch. It comes in a stainless steel body and the dimensions are 46 into 43 into 12.8 millimeters. It weighs around 75.4 grams, which is a quite decent weight to have on the wrist, and even for longer usage it won't hurt your wrist. We have carbon fiber design on the sides which looks quite good. If you look at the back side, we have polyamide plus glass fiber plus stainless steel back. It is also fireproof. We have the magnetic charging points here, and here we have the health sensors. After that we also get the microphone and speaker holes here, and here we have 22mm straps area, and we get 22mm straps here, and you can easily remove the straps using this pin, and it is compatible with all of the 22mm straps. And here is how the smartwatch looks on the wrist. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below. In my opinion, it's looking quite high quality and I'm really loving the rugged design. Talking about the hardware, it is using ATS3085L chip. Then we get 4 buttons on the body. Here the upper one can be used to access the menu and also for the back function. Then we also have the side key here, and you can press it and set a function for it. So let's set a function. For example, I'm gonna choose daily activity here. So whenever I will click this button, it will take me to daily activity. On the left side, the upper one can be used to access the control center, while the lower button can be used to access the widgets page here. The keys on the left side can also be used as a crown key. For example, you can use the upper one to scroll upwards and use the lower one to scroll downwards. Talking about the display, it is using a 1.96 inches AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on top, and I've confirmed in the darkness that it is using a true AMOLED display. The display is really high quality, and overall the color, the sharpness, the vibrancy of colors, and the smoothness and everything is quite good in the smartwatch. The screen resolution is 410 into 502 pixels with 331 pixels per inch, and the sharpness of text and the picture clarity is quite good on the Tank M3 Ultra. Talking about the maximum brightness level, so it has 1000 nits maximum brightness, which will make it clearly visible in the daylight. The KOSPET Tank M3 Ultra, like every other KOSPET smartwatch, is a military standard 810-8 certified smartwatch. It has gone through 15 military grade tests, including extreme temperature testing, harsh environment testing, tensile testing, waterproof testing, as well as contamination by fluids testing. So no matter what the condition is, Tank M3 Ultra is going to survive that. Talking about the water resistance, its water resistant design highlights 5 ATM and IP69K level waterproof, which will enable you to adventure in an enchanting underwater world as deep as 50 meters. The Tank M3 Ultra also supports 6 satellite positioning systems for reliable coverage. So let's take a look at all of the languages supported by it. So it supports a lot of languages, and these were all of the languages supported by it. Now let's take a quick look at the theme. First of all, we have the control center, then we get the notifications here, then from bottom to top, similar to watchOS, we have widgets page. So there are many widgets here. The widgets are also interactive and you can access the applications directly from it. In the end, from right to left, we have the menu. We also have many themes in the menu. So to change the theme, go to settings and here scroll down to themes. So as you can see here, it comes with 6 themes. First of all, we have grid, then we get the honeycomb menu style, then we get this menu style which looks quite good. We have whirling menu style, and in the end we have waterfall. Then if you take a look at the watch faces, the watch faces are perfectly designed to suit the style of the smartwatch. First of all, we have this pointer watch face. It also has many widgets on it. Then we have this digital plus pointer watch face. Then again we have a pointer plus digital watch face. So what I'm noticing is that most of the watch faces are pointer as well as digital. This one is a custom watch face and will be probably replaced by the custom watch face you use from the gallery. Here we have another digital watch face. This is an all-in-one watch face. We have many interactive widgets on it. We also have widgets showing live data. We have pointer as well as digital clock, and we also get the weather updates here. And these were all of the built-in watch faces. If you want to get access to more dials, you can visit the KOSPET Fit application and here go to watch face gallery. So it has a lot of watch faces inside it and all of them are available for totally free. We also have many always on display dials here which are designed specially for the AMOLED display. Let's go ahead and try one of them. I'm gonna use this one. Once it's done, you can go to settings, go to always on display and here select custom. So after that you can find that watch face for the always on display here. So after choosing it, when you turn off the display, you will have that screen of dial. While if you take a look at the rest of the dials, these are for the watch face. If you want to use your own picture from the gallery as a watch face, you can go to custom dial. Here some pictures are already available. You can tap here to use your own picture from the gallery, and after selecting a picture, you can scroll down and choose the dial type here. There are two options available. In one of them we have the digital clock on top, while on the other one we have the digital clock at the bottom. Talking about the screen time, the Tank M3 Ultra can stay on for a maximum of 60 seconds, and after 60 seconds of inactivity, the display is going to turn off. It also comes with always on display option. If you go to settings, always on display, so you can enable it or schedule it here. It also has some custom always on display options. We have digital clock here, then we get this digital clock, and in the end we have this pointer clock. But if you want, you can use the follow current watch face option, so it will choose the screen of dial according to the design of the watch face. For example, we have pointer dial watch face here, and if you turn off the display, it will use this screen of dial in which the pointer style resembles with a pointer style on the watch face. Then on this pointer style, if you use the always on display option, the pointer style will be similar to the watch face. Then we have this pointer style and its always on display will be similar to the pointer style on the watch face. So the screen of dial can stay on forever until the battery dies. It also has the tap to wake option, and it also comes with the palm gesture to turn off the display, and it also has the raise to wake gesture to turn off the display and to turn it back on. If you do not want to use the options like tap to wake, you can turn it off in settings. You can also turn off the raise to wake option here. You can also turn off the palm gesture by going to cover lock. After that, when you cover the screen with your palm, it won't turn off the display. If you go to sound and vibration, I'm going to show you the function of media audio later in the video. You can also turn on silent mode here. You can also adjust the ringtone volume here. Then we have the vibration intensity, and the strong level is quite good. You can also add a passcode in the smartwatch for an extra layer of security. In the settings, if you go to time and date, you can either sync the time with the application or you can set it yourself. It also supports 24-hour as well as 12-hour clock format. It uses the KOSPET Fit application. So using the KOSPET Fit application, you can receive calls directly on it. For that, you need to enable the phone notifications here, and on the smartwatch, you need to enable the call icon here. After that, you can receive calls directly on it. It rings as well as vibrates on the incoming call, and after accepting the call, you will get the option to adjust the sound level and to mute the call, and here you'll have the option to hang up the call. Not just that, you can also use this option to access the keypad and call directly from the smartwatch, and in the end, using Bluetooth calling, you can also access voice assistant directly on it. How's the weather today?
Thunderstorms are forecast today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 31 degrees, with overnight lows around 19.
And the volume level is quite clear and loud enough to be heard properly. After that, you can also receive text message as well as app notifications on it, and here we also get the other option, which means even if an application isn't listed here, it can still send you the notifications for it. It doesn't have to include all of the applications on your smartphone, but includes most of the main ones. When you receive a new notification, it wakes up the display and shows a full screen prompt. Here's how the notification center looks. It has stacked notifications. Here's the stack for WhatsApp, and for longer notifications, it even supports scrolling. Unfortunately, it does not support emojis. Using the watch application, you can also push weather updates to the smartwatch. It shows the weather right now, the high and lows of the current day, the weather conditions, and if you scroll down, you can also access the weather for the upcoming hours. Scrolling further will show you the UV index value, the air quality value, and at the bottom we have the weather for the upcoming days. We also have reminders here. You can also sync your favorite contacts in the smartwatch and add up to 100 contacts. You can also turn on automatic health monitoring, and in the end, if you scroll all the way down, you can also get firmware updates for the smartwatch. We also have the find device option here, using which the smartwatch will start to ring and vibrate, so you can easily find it. And in the menu, we also get the find phone option, using which the smartphone will start to ring and vibrate, so you can easily find it. Other than that, we also get the do not disturb mode option, remote photography option to use the smartwatch as a Bluetooth shutter button. We also have the unit settings here. In the end, if you go to the profile tab, you can also set up your profile and set up your goals here. If you scroll down, you can connect it with Apple Health as well as Strava. Then we have the sports tab here. We have motion management sports here, and we also have the sports record here. In the end, we have the health tab which stores all of your health data. Talking about media audio, if media audio option is turned on, then the music will be played on the smartwatch. You can also control it here, but if you turn off the media audio option, you can continue to control the media playing on the device, and the sound won't be shifted from the smartphone to the smartwatch. As you can see here, currently it is using the speaker of my smartphone for the sound. And now it is time to check out the rest of the features. First of all, we have daily activity here. It also has a pedometer and tracks your steps. So let me take a few steps in the room to see if pedometer works fine or not. So I'm back after taking a few steps and I am actually surprised. So I casually took around 45 to 50 steps and it counted 50 steps, which is quite accurate. And according to my experience, the pedometer sensor and every other sensor in KOSPET smartwatches are quite good. And as advertised, the pedometer sensor it is using is STK 8325. After that, we get a lot of sport modes inside it. You can also add more workout modes here. You can see that there are many types available here. For example, for winter sports we have 12 types, for fitness exercise we have 50 types. And before you start the training, you can tap here and customize the time target, the distance target and the calories target, or you can start without any target. We have workout records which stores all of your workout data. Then you get heart rate, blood oxygen and stress checker, and if you use any of them in the air, it refuses to measure the data and the sensors will turn off. And as soon as I place my fingers at the back, the sensors will start to work. It's the same if you use anything at the back. It won't measure the data even if you place it against any surface. The sensors will only start working when it detects your skin at the back. And for health sensors, it is using VC9202 and VP60A2 sensor. Here we have sleep tracker, and since it has wear detection, so it would probably work fine. Here we have the compass application, which also shows the air pressure and the altitude, and the compass is also accurate. As you can see here, you need to calibrate it first to get it working. You will have to move it in infinity or 8 shape. We also have barometric altimeter here, so here it is showing the barometric pressure. And if you scroll down, you will see the current altitude. If you tap here it is showing that altitude is measured based on the readings from the Watt's barometric pressure sensor. Changes in weather can affect barometric pressure, which may impact the accuracy of altitude measurement. We also have breathe training here. You can tap here to set the duration and tap here to set the speed. Then you can tap here to start it. Then we get the stopwatch here. You can tap here to start the stopwatch and tap here to add laps. And you can also go back while using the stopwatch and it will continue to run in the background. When you will stop the stopwatch, you can see all of your laps. You can also add alarms directly in the smartwatch, so let's go ahead and set an alarm. And while setting the alarm, you can also select the repetition option if you want it to ring every day on working days or on weekend. And if you scroll down, you can also manually select the days here. And in the end, you can also set up a wake up alarm here. So you can scroll down to the sleep application and you can select sleep settings here. You can add a schedule here, set a sleep goal. We have sleep reminder and sleep mode here. And here's how the alarm is shown. It rings as well as vibrates. You can tap here for snooze and tap here to turn it off. Here we have the timer. We have some predefined times here and you can tap here to set time according to your need. Let's set it for 1 second. So when the timer ends, it starts to vibrate and the timer continues to vibrate until you stop it. After that, we get the calculator, and here we get the basic functionalities like multiplication, division, subtraction and addition, and all of them work perfectly fine. We also get the flashlight option here, which can come in really handy in the dark. And in the end, we have the women's health application for the females, and you can set up your profile in the application to sync data. And these were all of the applications in the KOSPET M3 Ultra. Talking about the battery, it is advertised to come with a pure cobalt battery with a capacity of 480 mAh. It can be charged using the magnetic base provided in the box, and as advertised, it takes around 1.5 hours approximately to fully charge. Now talking about the battery life, this is something which impressed me a lot. First of all, talking about the advertised value, on typical usage scenario, it can give you 12 to 15 days of battery life. On heavy usage scenario, it can give you 5 to 8 days of battery life. With the always on display enabled, it can give you 2 to 3 days of battery life, and with continuous exercise with GPS, it can give you 30 to 35 hours of battery life. Now talking about my personal experience, I've been working on this video for about an hour now, and on 60 minutes of screen on time, it only lost 2% of the battery, which is truly impressive. And with this kind of usage, in my opinion, even with the always on display enabled, it can easily give you 4 days of battery life. So this was all from today's video and from the KOSPET Tank M3 Ultra. I'm truly impressed by this smartwatch. It comes with amazing features. We get an AMOLED display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 on top. We get a rugged and durable body. Then we have health sensors as well as speedometer sensors inside it. And not just that, we also get built-in GPS inside it. The smartwatch also offers a lot of sport modes inside it. We also have a fully working compass, altitude checker, and also the barometric pressure checker. And talking about the battery, it has impressed me a lot. I worked on this video for about 1.5 hours, and this smartwatch has been turned on for almost 3 hours now, in which the always on display has been continuously turned on. And in this time, it only lost 4% of the battery, which is truly impressive. So if you decide to purchase it, I'm gonna be leaving its link in the description box below, and I would really appreciate if you can use that link to purchase the smartwatch. It is currently sold at $149, but if you use the link given in the description box, you can get the early bird discount, which is valid till 2nd April, and you can get $30 discount and get it for only $119. You can also visit the channel to find many more related videos, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on the upcoming videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Until next time, this is iMAT. Peace.